Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tasty Planet Forever. Now, I assume you've seen the previous installments of the series, but if you haven't, it's the most recent video on my channel. Go check that out. After you watch this video, of course. So, to catch you up, we played as a cat and ate for like 50 stuff. I'm actually genuinely, surprised we're alive at this rate. And, torte baguette. Just eat the croissant. I guess. That's how you. Am I even doing an authentic Italian, or is it French? Like that. Anyway, and just eat them. This is still active, right? Okay. Man, screw you. Just a little cat eat croissants. But so, why'd you run me? How can I even get affected by this? I'm canonically a literal cat. Okay, and now I'm just eating baguettes. Canonically, I'm literally a robotic cat. I have metal under my skin. How are bikes affecting me in a way that is negative? I don't have joy when I eat them. But for now, I guess I just have to avoid them for some reason. Also, can we just Also, I'd like to mention this whole fiasco happened because one chef didn't specify. Anyway. Okay, I get to eat people now. That is good. Yep. Eat a lot of stuff. Find him. Eat him. Oh yeah, and him again. Alright, and 3 stars. Oh god. Okay. So we're just eating people. I guess. Eat people, yeah. Oh, I eat bush now. Guys, I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian. I swear. I'm vegetarian, I swear. Okay, seriously, this sound is getting annoying. Oh my god, there's 2 of them. Looney Tunes. Bro, this is straight. This looks like a Looney Tunes scene. Please, stop. I am just a cat. I'm trying to be vegetarian here. Guys, come at me one more time. Bet I could eat them. What Anyway. Num num. Yay. Right? Fast food cafe. Oh, okay. So, being used to sabotage rivals? Yay! I can do property destruction. Be careful to only eat these. And not eat cars because you get penalized for that. Trust me, I have experience. This is not my first time playing the game. I would know. Okay, 13. Where could this other one be? Here? Nope. Oh crap. Nope. I swear, when I'm out of this level, I'm eating every car I come across. Hell, I'd probably eat you either way. I do not care. I want to get the job done. Yay. Whatever. Anyway, I'm not saying that. Oh, we're eating zombies now. Huh. That's sweetened. I gotta say. Just eat the zombies. Nobody else. Only eat the stuff that is being pointed to me. So maybe out of spite, I will eat a police officer. Whatever. Ooh, numb. Chomp, 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 chomp. Yum, yum. This cannot taste good. Wait, I'm canonically a robot in here. Maybe I should put on a robot thing. Yeah, I'll do that. Beep boop. Man, this does not taste great, but I'm a robot. I don't really have, taste buds, so how would I know? Yada yada yada, beep boop. Regular old bot sounds. Eating stuff, I guess. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, just chomping him alive. There's a person. I must not eat person. I must eat zombie. Zombie, eat. There are no Plants vs. Zombies update. Looking fire, bro. The freaking cattail got buffed. I mean this as a joke to PVC 2. Oh. Huh. Is this still recording? Okay, it is. Anyway. Oh, I'm small. I'm Billy. Also, I would like to mention, this is like the final level of this world. Final levels are essentially just a recap of everything he did, with an exception of a few levels. Like False Caravox probably won't be involved in this. And also bonus levels we'll get onto her. Okay, screw you. We'll get onto, but that's later. For now, just a small robotic cat eating cockroaches and peas. This cannot be a balanced diet. Like Toucan Sam, no, this is not a balanced diet. I'm literally only eating one type of veggie and one type of meat. If you can even call it that. No, don't mind. Okay, I can eat mice now. This is better. Also, how do I shove an entire mouse into my gullet? They're like the entire size of me. How am I shoving these things into here? So I have like a grinder in there or something, but I probably don't. Anyway, yeah, just eat mice because, yeah. Also, are there what is this? Why am I emitting clouds? Their color. Like, what? Supposed to be a new chili flavor or something? What? Like, guys, I have to be upfront. This is not my first time playing this game. I've actually played it multiple times in my free time. I'm just recording this. Okay? Want to make it very apparent. Essentially, this is a Let's Play series. Anyway. Just eating humans now. Yeah. Just eat humans now. I really need a thumbnail. I wonder what I could use. Need chairs? I can need chairs. I need the customers? I can need the customers. Yay! I'm eating everyone here. Just gonna eat all these chairs. No, I don't want to leave yet. I'm gonna stockpile on food. Okay, now it's time to go. So, like, what happens when I eat it? Well, that's a way of leaving. So I just realized there's no poodles in here. That must have been non-canonical. Because yes, I'm pretty sure this game is lore. Anyway. Just eat tables and bushes. And also the umbrellas. That's actually what they're called at those restaurants. I thought they would be like awnings or something. But I guess that's only for the sides. Whatever. Num num num. Do my spin technique. Eat all the stuff. Probably... Oh. Bro, understanding... Also, like, how does a robot... How would a robot grow in size without just being a whole bunch of other robots cloning? Like, I'm serious. Like, how? Like, sure you can use pistons, but this dude's growing infinitely, theoretically. And of course, he's not cloning himself, so... Anyway, num num. Eat the awnings. Here, I'm not indiscriminatory. I'll even eat your business's awnings. I'll even eat the trees you propped up. Just ever so slight. Why are we at half? Why are we at half now? Like, I'm serious, I don't remember what happened. Anyway. Okay, why are we at half? We're already, like, at building. This is 10 meters? My god. This is getting out of hand. Like, really fast. I'm not even kidding anymore. I'm being scared. Oh my god. Like, I remember this happening in the first episode. Oh god, we zoomed out. Oh, I'm eating grows. That's a new word for me. I guess. I know a lot of words, okay? When I see a new word, I'm like, huh, I wonder what that means. So, yeah, like curiosity. Okay, now we're just eating buildings, plural. I'm pretty sure we just ate like a church. What the hell is that supposed to be? Oh, it's a cathedral. Yeah, I managed to beat that for a split sec. Okay, guess I'll eat some bridges. Are you gonna be able to eat the Eiffel Tower? Hold on, I gotta screenshot this for my thumbnail. Okay, boom. Yum yum. Yeah, just eat it all. A little reminder, this all happened because one guy didn't specify. He has actively doomed everyone here in Paris. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this takes place in Paris, but who cares? Just eat city blocks. My god, this is getting out of hand. Oh, we're in the triple digits. We're in the triple digits. Half 1,000 meters and over a bit, but who cares? Nummy nummy num. Just eat everything. Okay, now we're just eating neighborhoods and city blocks. This is getting out of hand. This is in my... Are we gonna get to 1,000? Oh my god. We're 1 kilometer big. Oh my god. Yay! Yay. So, yeah. That's not gonna be it, actually. We're playing the octopus levels! Okay, so let's go. No buts about it. Man, I sure do love my days and knock out! The heck? Okay, where's this come? Okay, so I guess I'm cutting it off at the source. I guess. Oh wow, I'm really small. octopus scramble. Num num num. This cannot be. Okay, now we're eating the cigarette butt. I have a feeling I'm going to develop lung cancer as an octopus. Ooh, plastic caps. How am I surviving off of this? I need like an actual fish. Huh, that was convenient. Anyway, bottle caps made of metal. This does not make any sense. How am I eating bottle caps made of metal? Whatever. Maybe a bit of yummies. So I just need a whole lot of stuff. Keep on eating copious amounts of plastic and trash. Push that guy because he's in my way. Eat this golf ball. Hell, eat more golf balls. Yeah, by the way, I gotta be saying this. Yeah. Finally, I'm eating actual fish. I then immediately get rid of all that progress made by eating golf balls and cutlery and forks and Starbucks coffees. Yum, 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 yum. Is this like how the Kraken grew up or something? Think about it. How big would the baby Kraken have to be? How would they even start out? Why am I getting into this side tangent? Just eating cleaner asses, disabling the ecosystem. Eat the beverages cans, cause I don't care. Anyway. Hey, Weasels, Michael here. Your cups are inedible. Are they? Yep, we're eating coffee cups. What? This thing is like bigger than me. How am I shoving this down my butt? Now I'm exposing the octopus to alcoholism. Yay! Rope. Num 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 num. Why? We're eating birds, aren't we? You know, it feels like it's progressed so much in the first level. You know? Yeah. Yes. Yummy, yummy, yummies. Yum, 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 yum. Eat some of this stuff. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Eat the lionfish. I'm actually thinking, did you know the lionfish are invasive somewhere? Yeah, I think I'm doing this ocean a favor, unless they naturally live there, in which case I'm disabling the ecosystem. What if eating so much stuff? I've already done that, so I don't really feel more remorse. Anyway, we're just gonna start eating more of them, and we're eating we're eating birds. We're eating birds. I'm not reading that name out loud, but we're eating birds. That's all I can tell you. Nom. Nom 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 nom. Get back here. Why do they have this dotted lines? Are they trying to sell coffee coffee beans or something? Why is there an outline as they die and fizzle? What are these creatures made of? Woodpeckers? You can eat coral now. Oh, sorry, that's a branching face sponge. Should've known. Anyway, we're just destabilizing Zico. Okay, we're eating parrotfish now. This is getting really out of hand. Anybody who's seen... Okay, let me get this straight. You see one of your friends get ravenously eaten, and yet you do not run? Anyway, we just ate a tire and a parrotfish. Thinking to finish off, we're gonna eat a word for the booby. Maybe a parrotfish. Oh, lionfish. Anyway. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it. Go ahead, like, and subscribe support me on nothing because I don't have a Coffee or Patreon or anything. I don't get monetized because I'm not in a partner program. Just share this video, please, okay? Did I come off to begging? Probably.